Hello everyone and welcome to another productivity tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to find Excel files in Google search. So if you are looking for Excel files in a specific topic, we're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content. So let's get started. All you have to do is to navigate to Google search. Then let's type in a query. So for example, let's say Facebook ad. And then here we're going to type in file type, semicolon, and then we're going to say XLS, and we're going to press enter. And now here you can see that all the results that come up are Excel sheets, right? So when we actually open them, we are downloading the Excel files that are indexed by Google, right? So we can actually open some of these Excel files that we downloaded and we can see what kind of content they actually have. So if you are looking for Excel files of any type in any topic, first you're going to type your query, then you're going to say file type, semicolon, the two dots, and then without space you're going to type XLS, you're going to press enter, and that's it. You can apply exactly the same command to any other browser or search engine. So if we go here to Avast, for example, and we paste this query and we basically press enter, now here, wherever we click, you are going to see that we're going to download basically Excel files, right? So everything that is coming up here is an Excel file, and once we open these pages, then we're going to basically start downloading these files. And here we go. They basically started downloading, and let's see what we got actually. Now, some people may ask, is this dangerous? Is this, let's say, not really sure what we downloaded here. It's not really relevant to Facebook ads, but it's some sort of data that they come in an Excel sheet. So is it dangerous to just download random files from the web? I would say that you need to be careful a little bit. So don't just download any file. Make sure that you know the website, you trust the website. This is legit. This is something that you want actually, and also make sure that you have an antivirus in your laptop or your desktop so you avoid any surprises. And that's it. That's how easy it is to find Excel files in Google search, any other browser or search engine. If I help you solve the problem, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.